Hey there, Stephen Pegg from Loves to Travel. Thanks for checking out our videos. Always appreciate when you watch what we do. In Cape Canaveral to watch the cruise ships go out and a little bit more. We're down in Florida, that's where we're at. And I actually have a piece of paper that tells me where we're at because I always get it wrong, and I just got it wrong a couple of minutes ago. We're at the Holiday Inn Club Vacations, the Cape Canaveral Resort. We're right on the water, right where the cruise ships are. We'll show you how close we are to the cruise ships in a minute, but let's show you the room first. So let's head on in.
So we have a one bedroom.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
And it's been remodeled.
I think we stayed here years and years ago.
And then that's going to go in the living room area because that's where we always go. It is a long, it's long. So we are in the living room area.
So you've got, how many can you sleep in here? 4, 6?
6. You're supposed to be able to sleep 6 in here. We'll show you how you can sleep 6 in here.
So let's start in the living room with the hide-a-bed to sleep 2. I think it's a queen-size hide-a-bed under there. You've got a table in front of it. This is not one of those storage tables, so you can't, it's just a table.
But there is like a shelf underneath.
You've got an end table with your phone and chargers, plugs, and a USB. USB-C or just USB?
USB-C.
Okay.
No, those are USBs. Sorry.
Just USBs?
Oh, there's this cruise ship. Want to see how close we are to a cruise ship?
Yeah, let's show you how close we are. Go ahead.
There's actually a cruise ship going
Which
out
one's
right
that?
now.
That's the Carnival ship.
That's the Carnival Glory right there.
So can you zoom in on it a little bit, honey?
Yeah, see? So that one is actually leaving right now.
Yeah.
There's supposed to be 5 cruise ships leaving today. It is raining, and I'm glad we're here on the balcony.
I do want to show, while we're on the balcony, I want to show you one thing. Remember, we're on the Atlantic coast, so what happens on the Atlantic coast a lot of times?
What?
Hurricanes. Hurricane shutters. I've never been in a hotel that had hurricane shutters on the balcony before. This one does. But you can see out here, there is a light, so you can have some light out here if you're out watching the cruise ships at night. Then you come on in. It's actually a rather large patio area too. Come back into the living room. Chair with a light behind it. You've got a television. It's not a bad sized TV for this room either, to be honest with you. It does have a DVD player. So most of the people are getting rid of DVD players, which I don't blame them. I still have a DVDs at home and a DVD player. I don't remember the last time I put a DVD in a DVD player. What do you think of the new artwork, honey?
I do like it. It's very beachy.
Beachy. Say that 5 times real fast. Beachy. B-E-A-C-H.
Beachy.
Beachy, yes.
Okay.
I like the light fixture over the table. I'm not sure if I care for the table decoration.
It is supposed to sit 6, so I guess you could pull the table out because there's 2 extra chairs here.
Yes.
I think that's what it's made for because it's a tight 6 there.
Hang on a second.
You should be able to pull it out. Yep, you can pull it out.
Yeah, you can pull it out. There's also 2 bar seating areas here. You can sit 2 in the bar area. Kitchen, not a bad kitchen to be honest with you. White appliances, I think they're newer. But you said you think this thing was all remodeled, right?
Yes, it was. And then what this is a lockout. This is part A. This is A, which is the bigger side, and B is a smaller side.
B would probably be just a studio, right?
Yes. So it has a closet.
Almost a storage closet to put things like a pantry closet. You've got your ironing board, iron, broom, dustpan. You've got a laundry basket, extra garbage bags, and rules. So.
And I do love this. That's the reason why I love the 1 bedrooms is because of a...
No, this is...
Oh, the furnace.
The furnace.
Okay, the furnace, sorry.
Which had its annual checkup in 2021.
Okay. It's the one next to it, sorry.
It's this one right here.
The washer and dryer.
This one's got the washer dryer.
I'm just loving a washer dryer because you're next to the beach, you get sand,
and yes, everything. We actually have a pool view. Did you show the pool when you were out there? We have a pool view.
We'll show that later.
You come down here. Oh, you want to go in the kitchen or?
No, we'll do the kitchen later.
Okay, let's go into the bathroom. There's only 1 bathroom, so keep that in mind. Single sink. It's got the pumps for your soaps and is there hand lotion there? It's hand lotion. Toilet area, shower. You cannot. This might be a 2-bed. This might be another bathroom in here. I just thought of that.
There's not.
Okay. Shower is a little short and a little tight, but it's an older hotel, so I can understand.
Yeah, it is tight for you.
Yeah, but it'll work. Toilet area here.
And there's towels there,
Mm-hmm.
and also back there there's a rope hook.
Yep.
And then inside here, that's what should be in here.
Nothing in the
There
drawers, I
should
don't
be
think.
a hair dryer somewhere here.
Probably under here.
Yep,
There's
and
more
extra
towels.
towels.
And there's your hair dryer, yes. It's got a plunger back there too. Extra toilet paper underneath and more garbage bags as well. So let's head over to the bedroom and check it out. Again, this is a 1-bedroom, but it's kind of weird because the 1 bedroom that doesn't have a queen or a king, it's got 2 full-size beds in here, which kind of, well, I guess it could work out. I thought this might have been a bathroom. It's not. It's a closet. Because I hadn't looked in here, but this is just a closet here. And you've got your pool towels up there. So you've got the closet, you've got 2 full beds, you've got lights over the beds, you've got the regular lamp. You don't have your end tables that you like on either side of the bed. So there's only 1 middle table there.
And these are full-size beds.
Yeah, they're not queens, they're fulls.
But there's lots of lighting next to each bed.
And there's also a ceiling fan above you.
Okay.
So,
There.
yep. TV is rather small for the room, but it'll work. It does swivel around. You got a 6-drawer dresser. I don't think there's anything in any of the dressers. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's nothing in any of the dressers. Sometimes you find a Bible or something in one of these. So, and then you've got the view out to the courtyard through the window there. So you do have a window out so you can have some natural light in the room as well.
This is really weird. I don't know why this is here. I guess it's a place to put your luggage.
Wasted space is basically
Yeah.
what it is. I would put, like, robe hooks or whatever, coat hooks and things like that, or turn it into another closet, but it's basically wasted space. Nice kitchen, very well decorated, I think. I love the light over to the top.
Very modern.
It is.
Rustic modern.
And you've got in the kitchen, blender and toaster next to the stove. It's an electric stove, which most all of them are now. Your glassware is up here, beachy glassware.
It must be Fiesta ware.
Yeah, nothing. Oh, there is something up here. They've got your platter up there.
Wow.
That's the first time I've looked it up there and there's been something there. That probably has never been seen. You got plates here. I guarantee there's nothing up here. Nope. Told you. Drawers. There's your silverware. Service for 4, not 6. 4. There's your pots and pans under there. Nope, you don't have a nonstick. Unless there's a nonstick on this side. There's the rest of your kitchen stuff. There, yep, there's your nonstick.
Right there.
Yeah, you do have a nonstick, honey. Stove. It needs to be cleaned. Let's see what's under here.
So they may have not changed out the
Yeah,
main
this is an
appliances.
older stove.
Yeah.
This is an older stove. You've got on this side, you've got your coffee maker. They do give you some coffee. Your glassware is up there. Glassware for 6. There's all your kitchen utensils. And a couple of other kitchen items that you need. Underneath the sink, trash, fire extinguisher. No extras under there.
Yeah, definitely the appliances were not changed out because if you look at them, they're pretty old.
Yeah. So they may have changed some things out, but they didn't change the appliances out. They do give you paper towels, but I couldn't find any extras. And then you've got your dishwashing stuff. Double sink with a garbage disposal. So there's your kitchen.
And you want to show them the pool area.
I do want to show them the pool area.
And let's see how far the cruise ship is because it was heading out. Let's see, it was totally gone. Yes, it's
Probably
gone.
It's totally gone, yeah.
Yes. So we are what they call a pool view, but if you really want a better look at the cruise ships, you want to ask for a port side view.
Port side view, yes. But this is the pool area. It's actually really, really big. So there's a lot to do with the pool area. Again, this is a lousy day, so kind of hard to judge what's going on in the pool area, but the pool is open, just nobody's there because it's been raining all day. So we're going to go watch some cruise ships. So Thanks for watching this video. We appreciate you checking it out. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, bell notification button below as well. Let you know when our next video pops up. And please hit the like button, especially if you like the room. Thanks for watching. Have a magical day.